Welcome to Tech. For those of you who are brand new here, we're looking forward to kicking off a new academic year. And thanks for all you're going to do to help us make that a great experience for our students, and I hope a great experience for you as well. So thank you.
I am Mark Sheridan, Dean of the Graduate School and Vice Provost for Graduate and Postdoctoral Affairs. We're excited to host the 36th Annual Teaching Assistant Graduate Part-Time Instructor Workshop.
GPTIs and TAs help to advance the mission of the university through creative teaching and innovation. The opportunity to teach a class also benefits the students in enhancing their own skills and preparing for their careers.
So I think the GPTI TA Workshop is incredible. I think it's an opportunity for students, one, to get to know Texas Tech, but also to allay any concerns that they might have about being a TA or a GPTI. And that's why I'm here in my role as the coordinator for instructional development. I want to help students through knowledge and reflection to feel encouraged, confident, and engaged in the classroom.
It's been intimidating, but really informative. It's nice to know how many resources are out there just for us in our position and going further in our academic careers, but also that there's so many resources to help students. And I'm feeling a lot more confident going into this, knowing how to better support the students in the classroom and knowing that there's plenty of areas to learn and people to learn from throughout the process.